Hi, we are thrilled you're joining us for year 3 of the Wonder League Robotics Competition. As of September 10th, we streamlined the registration process into just 3 steps. Step 1, begin the registration survey. Where to find it? Go to our site at www.makewonder.com. If you click on Robotics Competition in the top navigation, you will be taken to the landing page. Scroll down, and you will see an orange Register Now button. This button will take you directly to the survey. There are 2 pages to this survey. Now you can start this new survey today and submit it incomplete. When you submit it, completed or not, you will receive an email with an edit link. Save this link because you can go back at any time and complete your survey or update your survey. Page 1 of this survey is all about you, the coach, and where you and your team are from. The second part is about your teams. On page 2, you will find a series of 7 questions. You will fill out these 7 questions for each of your teams, but it's all within this one survey. And remember, using that edit link, you can come back at any time and update team information or even add new teams. Speaking of teams, that's step 2. We recommend that you create a table or spreadsheet to outline your teams and the associated Edmodo accounts that they will need this year. Based on feedback from the last 2 years, we decided to host the competition on the free communications platform edmodo.com. Edmodo allows us to communicate with you all seamlessly, organize resources that you can access at any time. You all can trade best practices with one another from across the globe. And through Edmodo, we will be asking you to turn in your team assignments so that we can track participation to see which 1,000 teams will make it into the invitational round. So let me show you the information you will need for Edmodo and why it's helpful to organize it this way. So let's say I have 3 teams. My third team is Robot Rulers, and I'm going to have them compete in the age category 6 to 8. The email that I'm going to associate with Edmodo is one tied to my organization at Wonder Workshop. It could be tied to your school, or you could use a free account like Google. So let's see, Robot Rulers at makewonder.com. The password, I'm going to use the same password. That's not a secure practice, I know, but I'm not sharing any personal identifying information of my kids here on Edmodo. And then my Edmodo username, I'm going to use the same team name just to make it easy. However, I could use for my usernames, I could use my coach's name, Stevens1, Stevens2, Stevens3. That's another option. Then you're ready to sign up on Edmodo. Now on Edmodo, you're just going to need these emails and passwords to log in. There are some tricks for managing multiple emails. You could create new free ones. You could also use email aliases tied to your primary personal or work account. Just Google email aliases. For instance, for Google accounts, you can use a period or a plus sign to create associated accounts, and everything will just go to your primary email's inbox. Another idea is to have co-coaches create these multiple accounts for you. You can have coaches be co-teachers on Edmodo. You really only need to utilize these individual accounts when it comes time to submit the assignments by team, all of which aren't due until February 16th. So now let's check out Edmodo. When you go to edmodo.com, you will see this homepage. We recommend going up to Join a Group in this upper right-hand corner. We have organized 2 groups on Edmodo. One coach cohort for ages 6 to 8 and another coach's cohort for ages 9 to 12. So I'm going to start with the ages 6 to 8 cohort. I'm going to type in the code, which you can find on any of our blog articles, 826PHG. I'm going to join. So it says I'm into the group. Great. Now I need to create a new account. This is important. We need everybody to create a teacher account, even if you're a parent. The teacher account just gives you the most features and functionality possible. So I'm going to create a teacher account, and this is where I'm going to enter the email and password that I outlined here for my first team. Now I'm cheating a bit because I'm already logged into Edmodo. You can see here I have my profile, which I have not filled out. I can click in and fill out this information at any time. This is helpful because it will let other coaches know about you and your team. So I could write about myself, my team, how many years they've competed. This left-hand column shows which groups I'm part of. So I'm already part of the 6-8 group, and I'm also part of the 9-12 group. Now this is my home page, which combines the communication from any groups I'm associated with. If I want to go into a group, let's say the 6-8 group, I can click here. I'll know I'm in a group because this top bar changes. So here I'm in the Wonder League Coaches group for ages 6 to 8. Now, a lot of you have been asking, where is all the shared resources, the PDFs, the guides, the videos, the blog articles? When you're in a group, you can see this Folders tab right under this blue header. If I click on this Folders tab, I will see all sorts of folders. In the coach-facing content, here's where you'll find the guides, where you will find team recruitment materials, lots for you to check out. I'm still within my group. I can post a note to one another. You will always see at the top of the communications feed, here is the pin post from Wonder Workshop, which we update weekly. And you are in. That is it. 3 steps to registering for this year. Watch within Edmodo this top post. As of next Monday, September 18th, we will be posting Mission 1. Thank you. We're so excited that you have joined us this year for the Wonder League Robotics Competition.